How's it going, everyone? What's up, Gats? And welcome to another Infusionsoft tip du jour. This one is relatively quick and hopefully useful for you. What I want to share with you is a report that a lot of people don't know about, but it contains some meaningful information that might actually be really useful to you. So if you follow me here to the marketing reports section, there is a report called Unsubscribed Report. And when you click on this, it's going to bring up a set of criteria that you can then define. So you can filter by the type of unsubscribe, or you can filter by the date, and usually this is used to report on how many people unsubscribed because of frequency during this date range, or how many people unsubscribed because they were uninterested during this date range, right? So if you're doing specific promotions during different times of the year, you can compare and contrast the trends within your unsubscribe rate. You can see why that might be useful, right? But what a lot of people don't realize is that there is a column you can add for additional feedback that allows you to see the specific comments that they left when they unsubscribed. So if you have ever opted out from an Infusionsoft list, you know that there is a little text box where you can leave feedback for that individual. That feedback is really only accessible here or under the email status on a specific contact. You can actually see it there as well. But I'm going to go ahead and remove the contact's name and the contact email. Just for the sake of this video, I don't want to reveal anyone's personal data, but I do want to be able to share and see what comments they left me, because you might find that the people who unsubscribe from your list, well, they give you feedback that is valuable for how you can provide more, tailored communication or less regular communication or more topically specific information based on their needs, right? So let's sort this so that all of the people who left feedback are brought up to the top here. And you can see I've got this person is no longer an Infusionsoft user. This person went back to Aweber. This is actually a friend of mine. I did this report just before I recorded this, and she said, "It's with great sadness that I unsubscribed from your content. No longer the target audience, although I respect your writing style and proper use of grammar. I find that my inbox is quite clogged. Wish you all the best." Appreciate those kind words, Lauren. And then I'm already receiving your content on another email. That's fine. And then this person also doesn't use Infusionsoft anymore. So not a whole lot of actionable information for me in this particular batch of unsubscribes. But what you may find is if you do this periodically, once a month or once a quarter, it may help you identify trends. And those trends may be something that you can then address to prevent future subscribers from opting out, right? So if you know that your email is coming too regularly or it's not doing enough of something that people want, then you can be proactive about making those shifts and hopefully provide more value to your audience at large. So just wanted to point this out. Again, we are under the marketing reports and then the unsubscribe report. And the trick here is to add the additional feedback column to this report in order to see that information. So hopefully that little trick gives you some insight into your database and the people who were formerly your subscribers. Later.